Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hilton New Orleans Riverside. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 2 swimming pools, parking, non-smoking rooms, Wi-Fi, family rooms, parking on site, tea, coffee maker in all rooms and a bar. Hilton New Orleans Riverside has a restaurant, outdoor swimming pool, a bar and shared lounge in New Orleans. Featuring family rooms, this property also provides guests with a sun terrace. The property has a 24-hour front desk, an ATM and organizing tours for guests. Complete with a private bathroom equipped with free toiletries, the rooms at the hotel have a TV and air conditioning, and certain rooms contain a seating area. Guests at Hilton New Orleans Riverside can enjoy a continental breakfast. Popular points of interest near the accommodation include Morial Convention Center, Bourbon Street and St. Louis Cemetery No. 1. The nearest airport is Louis Armstrong New Orleans International Airport, 16 miles from Hilton New Orleans Riverside. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.